Okay, y'all, we back after 2 long months. I know y'all was like, well, damn, Diva just left us. She ain't coming back or nothing. Hell, I might be gone again, y'all. Because y'all see the title. Let's get on into it. Now, I might be putting 15 on 10, but y'all know DivaWuan don't lie. I don't do clickbait over here. Because Lord knows, due to the nature of this video, it's probably will go viral in comparison to my other videos. Y'all, I might be going to jail. Your girl has been charged. And I ain't even talking about from CarMax. Because for y'all to know the backstory, I got CarMax looming in the background. As far as the civil suit. No. Your girl got charged a little over a week ago with... Now granted, thankfully it's not no felony. But... We got charged with a misdemeanor that carries upwards of a 20+ day jail sentence. So I'm not looking at federal time. However, a girl is not trying to look at any time. Despite growing up in the hood, I've never been in jail a day in my life. Up until this point, I've never had so much as a speeding ticket. And now this was got me in trouble. So what had happened was, for y'all that don't know me, for all the new people that's looking, I work at a company. I work at the largest pork processing facility in the world. Like, I'm at the largest building. Our building is 1 million square feet. And I was zooming down the highway, listening to Glorilla. If I feel like doing some editing, I put in the meme that got me in trouble. 60,000 and 95 degrees in my dance. 1,000,001 haters, and they all kiss my cousin got that bleep. Honey, I was just doggone bopping. Child, why my ass is so zoned out? I see the sheriff in my peripheral. I'm not even paying attention to the monitor. I see his lights turn on. Bitch, why did I doggone turn my doggone sitting on to go to the other lane, right? Thinking, oh, he's about to doggone go to an emergency. Then it wasn't until he shifted lanes to my area where I was like, oh, bitch, he's coming to get you. You getting pulled over, Diva. Meanwhile, doggone, I had Glorilla back to back. First, it was doggone 60,000 fans came to see me do my dance. And then next thing you know came on was face, hair, titties. And I said, oh, Lord, this ain't the doggone. I said, Glorilla, it's time for you to go. Sheridan pulled me on. Here Glorilla doggone talking about I'm giving face, titties, ass. I said no. Time to turn you off. So, needless to say, sheriff gave me the paper. Gave me the ride at talking about you carelessly drive. Now, it got short, simple, sweet. I got my ticket. I was on my way. My citation, I should say. Court date is next month. Now, mind y'all, a girl works at a plant where I'm working upwards of 6 days a week. So I'm looking at this paper like, oh my God, I don't have time to be at no goddamn court all day. I'm not trying to take... Now granted, a girl doesn't... I got 0 points. I can afford to take a point, but still. Another situation for another video. Y'all finally about to get some videos back to back to me because LaJuan got some life situations going on. Such as this goddamn place that we trying to get the fuck away from. Taxes, I got to try to find time to file. Once again, this is my first 2 days off in I don't know how long. Because my job has been throwing me off track for the longest. And even now, y'all about to get a business vlog on my business channel about that because they done gave us our old supervisor back. And that's a conundrum within itself. So it's like it's been so much shit happening. Relationships and stuff like that. Dating and all that. It's like I'm all over the place. Dating issues at the job. All that. Somebody that I did not know that liked me done started talking with me real heavy. Then we done had a falling out. Then racism got thrown involved because the person is white. So it's like I pretty much got called a black Klansman and everything. Oh yeah, when I tell y'all got videos out the woodwork about to come back to back to back. That is interesting. For me being accused of pretty much being a black Klanswoman to the back and forth of car mats to this darn on charge that's about to have me possibly in jail to darn on getting the fuck out of here from the landlord from hell. Honey, y'all about to get some darn on interesting darn on video content. But the darn on mail done finally came through. So I'm getting all the solicitations as far as representation now. But I'm thinking, should I even darn gonna get a damn lawyer for this? Now, granted, it's 25 miles over. It's 3 points on the license. But I'm thinking, what in the hell can the lawyer say that my black ass can't say at this point? I was caught on the goddamn speedometer. It ain't no way around it. Now, as far as pleading that this is my first offense, it's like, what the hell is going to be the difference between the lawyer stating it and me? I feel like I'll probably be giving more a little bit of empathy, because my friends were talking about, oh, just get a lawyer and, let them deal with it. It's like, okay, the maximum fine for this is $250. I'm not even trying to deal with that. Maximum suspension of license is 30 days. I don't think they'll probably go that route of suspension, considering that this is my first offense ever. And the fact that on my citation, it was noted that I was driving open country, broad daylight, no, weather conditions. Like, it wasn't raining or storming. Wasn't no cars nearby. It wasn't on a school, a public neighborhood or something. I was on open country highway. So all of those notations should work in my favor. Still shouldn't have been speeding, but I think all of that is going to be taken in consideration. So it's like, do I really want to pay a lawyer the same amount as if I would have paid the ticket? Especially since I might be able to negotiate down for them to give like a good, a stern warning. Considering, now I don't think I'm going to totally get out scot-free, but it's like, should I play Russian roulette and take on the case myself? Or do I spend upwards of $200 for a damn lawyer? So what are y'all thoughts on this? Like I said, this is my first ever ticket, and it's a very serious one, because going 25 and over is a class 3 misdemeanor. That is a criminal charge that can carry you 20-day prison sentence. Now, bitch, I'm not trying to be in no jail. But I've had so many people. Now, here's the thing. There are so many people that go to my job that have been speeding at similar speeds, where I can also argue that, a jail sentence probably would not be ideal. Because it's like, that sets a double standard of why all these other folks didn't get jail sentences. So I'm not worried about necessarily going to jail. Although still, the fact that it's a possibility is like, still too scary for me. But like I said, I don't think a lawyer will be able to negotiate out of that better than me. I think the magistrate seeing me in person and me giving my own direct account, me showcasing my own empathy, would go over better with the magistrate versus a judge, a lawyer who represents tons of other people. They don't know you personally. They're going off of the scripts of the law. They citing presidents and all that. And it's like the magistrate gets tone deaf to that, because it's like they don't see the person to empathize with, to see like this their first time. Because if I don't show up and I just let the lawyer show up, it's like the magistrate don't get to see me as a person. I just get viewed as a random Jane Doe. And, well, she was going 25-0. It depends on if the judge is really lenient or not. I don't want to take that chance. I want the doggone be in person. So my black ass will be getting up early in the morning that day. They set me for 8:30. Might not get seen at 12 o'clock. I don't give a damn if I'm late to work that day, especially in lieu of these darn awkward circumstances at the job anyways. So, yeah, we definitely going up in person. Next thing is, what do I wear to court? Like, Obviously, I'm not going to be wearing nothing too scantily clad or nothing, but do I got to dress up? Like, once again, y'all, a girl ain't used to going to no courthouse. We going to have some hair. Do I get some new hair or whatnot? Like, do we have some fresh curls or whatnot? But see, not too fresh, because then, bitch, you going to have to snatch that wig off if you going to land into the darn on state jailhouse. Do they put your wig and hold it? Like, dude, and Lord knows, if it's too good quality of a hair and I'm in a black ass jail cell in North Carolina, but see, I might be in Bladen County, where it's, so I might not have to worry about Susan and Karen and all them taking my goddamn unit. But bitch, they put me on Fayetteville. It's like, honey, darn on Quita, and then I'm gonna be seeing Quita with my goddamn unit on, and then I'm gonna catch another goddamn charge. All the shit I got to think about. But yeah, I got darn going caught. Oh Lord, maybe that's for the best. Number one, with it being a smaller county, I might be able to get the fuck in and get the fuck out. I don't know. It's a small county of like, I want to say like 1,000 people or so, versus if it was Cumberland County, population 200, well no, not 200,000. Fayetteville overall is 200,000, but Cumberland County, I want to say like 25, 30,000 folks. Yeah, it probably worked out better for me being Bladen County. But then it's like, some of them is of that caliber. So it's like, it's so many different things to think about. I got to think about the dynamics that we're in a small, white, dominant town that leans, but it's not necessarily sundown town. For y'all that don't know, I'm in North Carolina. And y'all know North Carolina is a toss-up. You got very liberal areas such as Fayetteville, Raleigh, Greensboro, Durham. Then you got the sundown. You know, you got your Ashevilles and, you know, certain parts of Lumberton and shit. See, that when it becomes a toss-up, because you got nigger side of Lumberton, you got the Lumbee side, you got the Lumbees that fuck with black people, you know, figuratively and literally, and you got the ones that can't stand black people. Yeah. It's confusing to me, considering that y'all basically mixed, but neither here nor there. And darn Trump just finally gave y'all darn federal recognition. But anyways, you got that part of darn North Carolina, and then you got the ones that's in between, like your Bladen counties and shit. So I don't know how that's about to go. But yeah, I don't know if I get dressed up. Can I get away with wearing my regular work clothes? Y'all know my work clothes be something like this, where it's like it's a regular t-shirt, some pants or whatnot. Now every now and again I get a little bit glammed up for the job, but honey, we ain't gonna get too glammed up for the courthouse, honey. I don't want to darn come off hoochie mama. No, we ain't gonna have the skinny, the tight. We wanna have on some regular jeans maybe. But I'm thinking I should maybe wear like a casual, neutral shirt, no messages or nothing, especially not this. You know, first 48, bitch, we ain't going in the courthouse with that type of energy, cause the optics is everything when you are a sister. I will imagine that the darn magistrate would take all of my attire into consideration and creating a preconceived notion when it comes to leniency. Even though they don't supposed to do that, we know that it does factor, especially when you're talking about whether you want to give some leniency or if you're going to throw the book at a bitch. So I'm thinking if I come in with a good grade of 3B curly, you know, if I go in with a good grade of 3B curly in, you know, and my voice is a little bit more light and mild, you know, we're going to code switch to a T-Hut. Y'all know, DivaWuan, child, I hate to say it, but bitch, we about to code switch and ethnic switch up too, if it means me not having to do no jail time, and if it means not getting no points on my license. Bitch, we call me Ethiopian, call me Haitian, call me darn Dominican. Bitch, if it means, honey, we're going to use all this to the advantage, honey. If I even got to do a little, whoa, You know, I do that too if it means me getting up out of a goddamn ticket. We'll channel a little bit of charity. I'm telling you, the Diva is not meant for the darn on slam. Although, like I said, there might not be a chance of that given how many tickets, you know, they tend to give people that go spy plant that have spent that much. So, but still. The fact that I still a class 3 misdemeanor charge, and my doggone, y'all know I drive a 2020 Kia Sorento. My doggone insurance is already 172. What is it going to be like with 3 points? Is it going to jump to 472? Like, oh my God. It's like, let me take the class. And then I've been hearing, you know, in addition to my friends talking about get a lawyer, I heard once they do a PJ or some a IPJ or something of that caliber. I don't know what that means, but it's like throw your mercy at the court or something like that. I got to ask her what that shit mean again. I should have darn gone. Yeah, if y'all know what I'm talking about, please darn gone put it in the comments. But it was an IPJ. It was some sort of acronym where it's not. You're not necessarily meant to guilt, but it's like it's a first time offense where the judge will just throw the case out altogether. Now, I don't know how that's going to work with going 25 miles over. I don't know. Maybe the judge might be feeling real happy that day. I don't know. Hopefully. But I'm thinking in my case, we might be able to get that 25 down to like 20. Or 15, 19, anything 20 and under where it's 3 points. And then I take the driver improvement class, 8-hour course online, and it deducts all 3 of those points. So essentially it's no points on my license. I'm thinking that's what's going to be the outcome. But I would definitely give y'all an update. My court date is March the 6th. So we'll see what will happen in that case. So y'all wish DivaWuan luck. Like I said, this is my first time ever getting a darn going speeding ticket. And why did it have to be one of a criminal caliber? I do not know. Matter of fact, I did, one of my folks told me to go to iTicket Law. And she said it was $99, but due to how severe my speed was, they quoted me at $199. And it's like, well, damn, the darn going, the maximum fine is $250. So it's like, I'm paying essentially twice as much. Okay, let's read and see what they said specifically. Dear Miss Goldsboro, haven't been in your shoes before. I know your recent citation likely has stressed you and worried that your insurance rate. Yes. That's what we darn gonna worry about. Bitch, I'm stressed. I was already stressed before this goddamn ticket. A bitch is not even more stressed. Sure, it's about to be damn $500. Now you drowning in letters from attorneys. Well, I ain't got too many letters. I only got 3, surprisingly. I ain't that popular. I remember when my darn going egg donor got into a situation, the damn mailbox was flooded with like 20 of them. But sadly, you're no closest to solving your real problem, your insurance premium. Over the years, our team has helped tens of thousands of people just like you. We can negotiate your traffic citation and strive to keep your insurance rate unchanged. If you simply pay your ticket, you may end up with points you might have avoided. Based on the average North Carolina premium, a citation could increase your family cost of insurance by more than $1,600 over the next 3 years. This may not need to happen to you. $119 a day could save you as much as $1,600. Well, hell, $1,600 is mighty minimum though, because I'm worried about if it goes up $300 a month. That's $36 plus $100 a year. That's what I'm worried about. Let us take care of your case and work to keep your insurance rate low. The total cost starts at flat rate, legal fee $119. Court costs and fines $180 through $280 due to court within 40 days after resolution. Total $299 to $399. Ooh. So it done jumped up a little bit. So it's $119 a day, but I could end up paying as much as $400. Bitch, that's damn near 2/3 my goddamn paycheck. See, that's why you got to read everything in full. For just $19.90, damn, I wish it was $19.99. I'm darn gonna talk like it's an infomercial. For just $119, you could get back your. Could is not enough. I bitch, at this type of price, bitch, you need to tell me a guarantee. A certain, like, you giving me hypotheticals. This don't ease my worries at all. We will personally appear for you. Likely will not appear in court, bitch. I'm appearing my black ass in court. See, that's what we not about to do. How the fuck y'all want to display the empathy like my ass could? It's my ass that the sheriff seen, and Lord knows if the sheriff was there, he was a little bit darn going nice to me given the circumstances. It might pay for me to darn gonna be in court for them to see. If I just toss it off to y'all, oh no. Call us today at such and such number. Today, discuss your case and how experience are turned. No. This don't even feel darn gone. This didn't ease my words one for day. Now, let's see if the next one can convince me. What you got, Miss Cynthia Adams? Attorneys at law. And they actually local. They's Elizabethtown right here. I never thought the day would come when I would advertise for legal services, but due to the number of attorneys doing so at this time, I feel compelled to let you know something about myself. Oh. Okay, well, Miss Cynthia, go ahead and tell me about yourself, honey. My office is located directly beside the Bladen County Courthouse. Oh, well, see that? She already got my teacher right there. You right next to the courthouse that I got to go to. So, girl, you might got the inside scoop that I-Ticket Law don't have. Because, honey, they represent all over. Honey, you right at the courthouse that I'm darn gonna dealing with. So, baby, you know some folks by seeing them every day. Okay, Cynthia, you got me intrigued. Come on. My office is located directly beside the Bladen County Courthouse, which is where your ticket will be handled. I have practiced law in this town for 31 years. Okay. Damn. Almost before I've been alive. I'm 32, by the way, y'all. And I'm familiar with the local customs in the court system. See, that's what I need to hear. I need to hear the code words about how do you know the people's personality. How do these motherfuckers move down here in this county? I don't need to hear no generalized shit. I don't need to hear about no, oh, you might, or we can see, we may be able to. No, bitch, I need to hear shit like this. Your driver's license insurance rates are too important to pay a ticket off or plead guilty without the advice of a qualified attorney. Additionally, certain traffic offenses results in a loss of your driver's license. All of these issues need to be examined in your case to make sure that you make the best possible decision. In most cases, I can handle your case by waiver so that you will not have to be present in court. No, we gonna be present. I don't give a damn what y'all say about that shit. We gonna be present. Traffic offenses create two types of problems for you. First, you may get points on your license, which can ultimately result in license revocation. Now, fortunately for me, it will only be for 30 days, but still, we ain't trying to have our license gone for any day. Because I'm not trying to have nobody take me to and from work. We done been through that avenue, y'all. Second, you may get points on your insurance, which can cause dramatic increase in what you pay for insurance. Yeah, that's definitely what we want to avoid. One of the worst consequences of a traffic ticket can be financial. In North Carolina, convictions can result in an increase in insurance premiums from 25 to 400%. And Lord knows they like the price gouge, and we under a Trump presidency, that shit might jump up to 400%. A conviction from speeding 56 miles in a 45-mile zone could raise a 6-month insurance premium from $600 to $870. These raised rates stay in effect for 3 years. If you are charged with a DWI or DWLR, the penalties can be extremely severe. Please call for well, we wasn't under the influence, so we good on that. I encourage you to call my office at the above reference number. You are also more than welcome to come by our office to meet our staff. If I'm not available when you call, I have a very capable assistant by the name of Brandy, who should be able to help you. If you have already retained legal counsel, please disregard this letter. No, we still viewing our options, and you were the best one that I looked at thus far, honey. We also accept MasterCard, Visa, and debit cards for your convenience. Law Officer Cynthia Adams, Singletary. Okay. Now now this one darn gonna convincing. Now she discussed everything but pricing. I guess I call her to get the sticker shock of what the price will be. It's gonna be less than darn gone iTicket Law. Well, hell, even if it's equal to iTicket Law, the fact that she's right next to the darn gone courthouse in question, I might take her up on that. And then the last one, Statesville, North Carolina. Let's see what this one's about. And now the reason why I'm reading all these out loud as well is because, like I said, this is my first time with a ticket. I want y'all advice on what I should wear. You know, what should I expect? I was clocked at 82 and a 55 on an open country road with no traffic in broad daylight. Who should I go with based off of these darn gone responses? Okay, so the third one. We got the Rumble Law Firm. This is an advertisement for legal services. Rumble Law Firm, PA. Dear Ms. Goldsboro, public records indicate that you were recently charged with a traffic citation. The fine and court costs on your ticket may seem small and not worth contesting, but a knowledgeable attorney can often save you hundreds of dollars in increased insurance costs and excessive fines. Simply paying off a citation is the same as pleading guilty. Likewise, more serious charges like DWIs can lead to a devastating long-term consequences. Before handling the matter yourself, please call for a free consultation, okay? At least the consultation is free. Mishandling the ticket can result in unnecessary points assessed against your license and lead to a dramatic increase in your insurance premiums or even license suspension. Call me to discuss how you can avoid or at least minimize these serious consequences. And then they give examples of, you know, failure to stop at a stoplight, speeding more than 55 miles per hour, illegal passing, reckless driving. Well, I guess I'm considered reckless driving because I was 20 plus miles the speed limit. And then it gives some did you knows. The total fee to represent you in court may be as low as $100. Okay. In most cases, an attorney can represent you in court without you having to appear. Like, no, no. I want the judge to see my face and empathize. No, we going to be in court now. A single speeding conviction can nearly double your insurance rates for 3 years. A single conviction for speeding 15 miles over the speed limit in a 55 miles per limit zone results in automatic license. Oh, God. Oh. Oh my God, y'all. Now this is what I'm afraid of right here. This one right here. A single conviction for speeding 15 miles over the speed limit in a 55 mile per zone speed limit zone results in an automatic license revocation regardless of a good driving record. So even with a perfect... Oh, Lord, y'all. Now how this about to work, y'all? Is a girl going to be driving dirty for the next 30? Because once again, I also looked up the maximum that they can withhold it for a first time offense where there was no accidents, where once again, nothing happened. The most they can detain my license is 30 days. But it's like, what? Which is called for, bitch, you just better not get caught driving within those 30 days. Because, honey, I'm liable to darn gonna still be driving within those 30 days. And my black ass will be going directly to damn speed limit. So there won't be no probable cause to pull my black ass the fuck over. That's what we'll do right there. what that term meant. What did I say earlier, y'all? I said a PLJ, a PBJ. So what my friend said, okay, it's right here, is a PJC. Lord knows I could have sworn my friend said a PBJ. You know, she's a fat bitch. Maybe she was thinking about darn going a PBJ sandwich when she got home. But, you know, sorry, girl. But it is what it is. But, yeah, your insurance rate may increase even with a PJC. Prayer for judgment continued. We welcome your questions. Please contact us to discuss the solution that benefits you most. Okay, so it says a conviction. So if I'm not convicted of going over 55, if somehow we're able to negotiate that away, we might be able to spare my license. So maybe, you know, the judge can waive that, you know, considering that, you know, the speed limit was fluctuating. It was doing one of these Sanford and Sons like number. I was going 82 here, 74 there, 69 there. Honey, let's stick with 69. And, you know, 69 is a good number for a girl in more ways than one. You know, 14 miles over, 3 points. You know, I still, you know, I still get a little bit of a punishment because I got to take the class and all that. And it waives the 3 points. So in the end, I don't get no points on my license because the 3 points are offset by the darn class. That's what we're going to go for. And we're going to discuss that. I think the best person to go with is Cynthia Adams, considering that she's in the town that I'm darn going having to deal with this. And Cynthia sounds like she might be a sister. And, you know, she knows how the folks in that particular town get down. So, yeah, we might call up Cynthia. But if y'all think any of the other two are also worth considering, y'all definitely leave it down below. Also, give me y'all experiences. Sorry, y'all. Nose started running. Darn downside of being working in a plant where it's 40 degrees, your body darn get thrown out of whack with the temperature changes. Come here 70 something. Go to work, it's darn 40 something. Go upstairs for lunch, it's darn 90 something. I'm all over the place with temperature. Just like I'm all over the place emotionally trying to darn wonder what is about to be the outcome in less than a damn month with me. So, yeah. I don't know, y'all. Y'all give me y'all advice. Like I said, what should I wear? What should I expect? Oh my God, license revulsion. We can't have that. I'm not trying to drive dirty for 30 days. Cause best believe we still going to work regardless. And then there's still that 10% chance of jail time looming over me, which once again, even at 10%, I don't like those odds. I'd rather it be 0%. But you know, I'm also a girl of a particular background in a southern town, so they might try to get mad at me one day, you know, and just try to set the president just off of me and say, oh, well, we're going to go ahead and throw a bitch in jail today for this speeding and whatnot. Like, they might get fed up of the plant girls and guys darn speeding, and they might try to make me the example. Bitch, don't make me the example. No. Just like you gave everybody else a little bit of leeway. Honey, give my black ass some leeway too. Trannies deserve rights too now. God damn it. Because y'all know that's what I was thinking. I was like, now, goddamn it, we already got to worry about me being this. Lord knows, let's not add the confusion of, like, jail conviction. Like, what jail am I going to? Because y'all know in the Trump presidency, honey, he already done said the darn prison girls are going to the mill. Now, thankfully, he can't control the state jailhouses. North Carolina, I think that still put me in the females darn, but still. They might try to darn be funny and darn still try to throw me over there with the, no. I'm not trying to deal with that shit. Even if I'm only in jail 2-3 days too goddamn long. A bitch got Crohn's disease. I got medical accommodations. They ain't gonna be giving me specific darn foods to accommodate me. And y'all know that the motherfuckers don't give a damn about us with medical accommodation. No. So yeah. 10% chance I might have to deal with that conundrum. So yeah, maybe it might be in my best interest to discuss this shit with a doggone lawyer. We'll see. But I still want y'all advice. Y'all know what to do. Please leave y'all comments, suggestions down below. Thumbs up this video. And I will see y'all soon with more videos. Because like I said, honey, it's a lot to fill y'all in on. So the videos are coming, y'all. Mwah.